In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Getting started with managing customer accounts can seem daunting, but by the end of this guide, you'll see just how straightforward it can be to issue statements right from QuickBooks Online. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First, navigate to the left panel on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll want to click on Sales. This section serves as your hub for managing all sales-related activities, including billing and revenue tracking. From this hub, next, head over to the Customers tab. Now, this place is particularly useful because it displays a list of all your customers that you've added. It's an organized space where you can see each customer's details at a glance. Once you're in this customer section, scroll down until you find the specific customer for whom you wish to create a statement. Simply click on their name, and it will open up more options related to that particular customer's account. In the top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled New Transaction. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and within this menu, you'll select the option that says Statement. This is your gateway to generating the customer statement. Now that you're in the statement creation window, your first task is to choose the type of statement you want to generate. QuickBooks provides several options tailored to different business needs, like open item statements or activity-based statements. Selecting the correct type helps ensure the statement is comprehensive and informative. Following this, it's time to define the statement period by setting the start date and the end date. These dates are crucial as they determine the range of financial transactions and activities included in the customer statement. Make sure the period reflects the time frame you intend to cover, whether it's for a week or perhaps the entire month. Once you're satisfied with the statement type and the date range, take a final glance to ensure all the information is correct. If you're ready, you have two options. You can click Save to store the statement on your system for future actions, or if you're looking to send it directly to your customer, click Save and Send. This action will prompt a window where you can either review and edit the email before it goes out, or choose predefined email settings, ensuring a smooth delivery to your customer's inbox. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully issued a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. This simple process not only helps maintain clear communication with your customers, but also enhances the professionalism of your business dealings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick QuickBooks tips and tutorials.